We're going to go over your kit options for startup. Now, first of all, there is what I call the hustle and grind unkit, which is basically you're opting not to get a kit at all. You're going to pay for your membership, tax, and shipping because they're going to send you a little distributor kit that's really cool and it's got tons of stuff that you need. And that at least where I live, that comes to about $68 total. And then you use that and you do a guided self-launch, which means you walk through all of the information and launch plans in lipstickempire101.com and our onboarding system. And then you launch, you do either an in-person with the help of your sponsor pre-launch, or you can do it online, and you're going to collect orders that you will then use to fund your first order and let that hustle and those orders you collected launch your business. Next up is the Just Lips kit. It's not actually called that. I call it that. This is a good kit if you are, for some reason, only wanting to sell lip scents. It's not one that I personally would really recommend if you can possibly do something else, but it can be great if you are, for instance, just interested in the lip scents. Okay, so here's the first one that I get really excited about. And you have to realize I spent 2 years getting people started, telling them not to buy the kits that were available because they just didn't have value. They didn't give you PV and get you qualified. I jumped through so many hoops. They came out with these kits that are amazingly planned out. They're so to your benefit, and I get very excited about it. So this is the first one that I think has serious value you should look at. Remember, the first order when you start a new business is 100% tax deductible. And so you get $1,500 worth of product. You get your lips demo kit, which those cost like $75 or something. You get 6 months of your SeneSite and the SeneBiz app included. You get a planning calendar that is, I paid $50 for mine. I absolutely love it. You get the free shipping. You're also set. It takes 3 months of hitting 750 PV to qualify you for being a significant seller, but that takes care of your first month. Remember, there are not monthly requirements. There's no auto ship or anything like that. You would be ordering monthly only if you're working your business and doing demos, collecting orders, and you're ordering because you need the product to give to your customers. You're not ordering because somebody tells you to. You're not ordering because you want a significant seller badge on your SeneSite. Like, we don't want commission on your debt. We want you to order because your business is successful, not the other way around. And then here's the kit that I really am passionate about. And it's not because it's the biggest value or the biggest like price tag. It's because of what they've put in it. You get the Glamour Demo Kit, which has absolutely everything that you need for doing in-person demos, selling the skincare and the cosmetics and lip scents, personal body care, all the things in this gorgeous case. I started out schlepping my things into the houses in a cardboard box, which, I mean, it is what it is. Obviously, it worked out for me. But, I mean, if you can walk in with, like, this gorgeous bag, why not? You get a year of the SeneSite and SeneBiz app, the gorgeous planning calendar, and you get special trainings. Plus, you get your first Fast Start bundle of free product, free shipping. You have a 65% profit margin. Everything about this kit. If there is any way... Oh yeah, $2,000 worth of product. And the little picture right there shows lip scents. It is not all lip scents. It is a beautiful assortment of everything you need to get your business started. Become a product of the product. I don't advocate you getting this kit to try to turn around and sell it. It's not that I want you to have stock. I don't personally think we need stock. As far as I'm concerned, order because you've gathered orders. Don't order to have stock until you feel like it, until it's a convenience thing for you. I want all these different products in your hands so you can experience them. If there's duplicates of the product, go ahead, sell that. But take the first of every item in there and put it on your body. You use the products. That's how you get a story associated with each one. That's how you sell from your passion and enthusiasm. And then, I mean, I love money, so 65% profit margin, yes, please.